Like a dragon, infinite wealth, hands-on report, a vacation worth taking, a hop over to Hawaii packs in plenty of charm, bucket list unlocks, a building sim, and much more. D'Angelo, Yakuza is a storied franchise that keeps on giving. Each installment in the series leading to 2020's Yakuza, Like a Dragon, has offered something new and innovative, along with consistently satisfying expansions to the ever-growing story of main characters Kazuma Kiryu and Ichiban Kasuga. I'm glad to say that after a hands-on preview of Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth, the trend continues. There is almost too much here for Yakuza fans, both new and old, to sink their teeth in and enjoy. This latest entry features a fusion of the series' original beat-em-up and current turn-based role-playing style. An island building. Get your walking shoes and segways ready, Like a Dragon. Infinite Wealth is the first title in the Yakuza series to take our favorite motley crew out of Japan and into new territory. Kasuga and Kiryu's missions lead them to this new location, Honolulu, Hawaii, where they decide to team up. Not only is this locale full of many new sights, sounds, allies, and enemies, but it is the most extensive map ever featured in the Yakuza series. It was so large that during my hours of playing, I wasn't even able to explore even half the map. There's no dead air to be found here. Enemies, missions, activities, and lively karak surround each corner. The only decision you have to make is what to tackle first. Personality points are nothing new to Like a Dragon, but Infinite Wealth gives a new way to allow Kasuga to move up the ranks. By being a friendly and outgoing tourist, you can constantly grow friendships with Honolulu's population and boost your personality levels each time. Personality points are nothing new to Like a Dragon, but Infinite Wealth gives a new way to allow Kasuga to move up the ranks. By being a friendly and outgoing tourist, you can constantly grow friendships with Honolulu's population and boost your personality levels each time. All it takes is a simple hello. By pressing square when walking by certain marked NPCs, Kasuga will release a welcoming "Hello!" and get a good response back. Sometimes, these greetings will even unlock a small task like buying a kid a hot dog, which grants Kasuga a more significant personality increase. These increases unlock extra abilities like more skill slots, enhanced resistance to status ailments, better healing, and more guts. Plus, it's just charming to make Kasuga into an even nicer guy than he already is. Being a good tourist isn't limited to just greeting bystanders. Kasuga and the gang eventually find a tourism company called Alo Happy Tours. Specified for Japanese visitors touring Hawaii, Alo Happy Tours is a place where you can pay to jump into activities like surfing, yoga, and fire dancing. But these vacation sessions aren't just for fun. Each new skill learned through Happy Tours leads the party to unlock a new job and fighting style. For example, learning to fire dance unlocks an attacking mage style. Learning to host gives access to a buffing support job, and learning to be a pop idol